Students, today we will discuss about nitrogen cycle. Our atmosphere contains a lot of nitrogen gas. In fact, our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. The atmospheric nitrogen gas can't be utilized directly by the plants or animals. Okay? Actually, it is one of the most important element. Nitrogen is required by both plants and animals for their growth and development. Nitrogen is essential component of proteins which make up the body of plant and animals. Nitrogen is also present in chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. So the circulation of nitrogen element through living things and non-living environment is called nitrogen cycle in nature. The same nitrogen element is circulated again and again through living things and non-living things. This one is called nitrogen cycle. Now I am going to describe the nitrogen cycle in nature. The main steps in the nitrogen cycles are: the first one, the atmosphere contains nitrogen gas. The nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil and root nodules of leguminous plants and blue-green algae and lightning in the sky fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and convert it into compounds of nitrogen which go to the soil. Again, the plants take compounds of nitrogen from the soil for their growth. The plants absorb the nitrogen compound from the soil through their root nodules. The plants converts the compound of nitrogen into plant protein and other organic compound which make up the body of plants. Now the plants are eaten by the animals as food. Animals convert plant protein into animal protein and other organic compound which make up their body. Some plants are eaten by animals. Actually, some animals also eat other animals to obtain nitrogen compound. Okay, when plants and animals die, the complex nitrogen compound present in their dead bodies are decomposed and converted into simple compounds of nitrogen by certain bacteria and fungi present in the soil. Animal excretions also convert it into simple compound of nitrogen. All the simple compound of nitrogen formed in this way go into the soil. In this way, the compound of nitrogen which were taken by the plants from the soil during their growth and are returned to the soil. From the soil, these nitrogen compounds are again absorbed by the new plants for their growth, and this part of nitrogen cycle is repeated. Some of compounds of nitrogen are decomposed by denitrifying bacteria present in the soil to form nitrogen gas. This nitrogen gas goes back into the atmosphere. This process is reserved for the fixation of nitrogen. In this way, the nitrogen gas which was removed from the atmosphere during nitrogen fixation is put back into the atmosphere. Okay, so from the atmosphere, nitrogen gas is used again during nitrogen fixation, and nitrogen cycle is repeated in nature again and again. As a result of nitrogen cycle in nature, the percentage of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere remains constant.